Hey guys, welcome to Imagine Toys. Today I have a fast lane truck carry case. It's called NJ1008. Right there. Looks very cool. It's very big too. It's a huge truck. Has handle on here so you can carry it. Or you can roll it around as well. So this is where the cars come from. Spits it out from right there. It's two-sided as well. There's more cars on this side. So let's get it open. Take a closer look at the cars inside. You can also buy the cars separately for the Fastlane brand. I'm not sure if the Hot Wheels are going to fit in here. They might be a little bigger than this ones. We also have a bus, blue bus here. Let's see which one is faster, the bus or the sports car. It's about the same speed. It's funny how they're the same speed. Let's move on to the helicopter. It's a police helicopter, as you can see, not just a regular helicopter. The fast lane police. To be able to catch cars like this, the police needs a helicopter. Otherwise, it's very hard to catch a car like this. Let's see. This one looks very nice. Which one do you guys think is faster? The orange one or the black one? Let me know. This is a police car. The sirens on top and on the back of the car. It's a pickup truck. You can load some tools or whatever you guys need on the back, carry it around. This is a fire truck, I think. Yeah, it says, see, there's a fire sign. Emergency fire truck. Yeah, a ladder on top. Comes out. This looks like a Jeep. Or a Hammer. And now, this is the fastest fast lane car ever made. This is a Bugatti Veyron, the fastest street car. Look at those lines. It's like a rocket. That's where the engine is. In the back. This is the spoiler. It comes out when you drive this car. And this is like a truck, Toys R Us truck. This is where I bought this whole case. Nothing special about this truck. Also have some construction stuff, barricades. Just like this. The cones. Stop signs. And some barrels, emergency barrels. Now, if you guys have noticed, our case has a helipad on top of it. So you can park your helicopter on a helipad. Just like that. Now I'm going to try and fit this on the other side. So now I'm going to try and fit this on the other side. So let's put the truck first. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 4. We have 4 levels. 5 each on each level. That means we have 20 spots for the cars. And this is two-sided, so has 40. It fits 40 cars. That's cool. So I'm gonna put all the fast cars on the top. Put the bus in the middle, the fire truck. And the police car on the bottom with a helicopter. Just like this. And we can close this and we can carry it around. Now let me show you something cool about this truck. Now let's take this car. Now, as I showed you before, there's a place where it spits out the cars. You load it right here. The stop section comes out from the front of the truck, right there. More space. This truck is very huge. Like that. Isn't that cool? Alright guys, Thanks for watching my video once again. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and have many more different toys for you.